Hello, can you hear it?
Potential data loss and
Yeah.
future corruption.
Yes, what do I do to turn this off?
System on your own. This may lead to more serious problems.
It's a laptop or a desktop?
Desktop.
Level 3, who can better assist you with this issue.
You made any changes to it? Any new program, new device to it?
Yes, I clicked it, and it's like an advertisement. You need me to make it louder for you?
Computer hacking. Your system may have future problems. Please do not
Try that.
turn off the system. For there to be
Did you hear it, honey?
enabled devices may be at risk. Please do not attempt to
It says my computer's at risk.
systems. Warning, your system has
Is that risk?
as a
Yes.
potential computer hacking. Your system may have future problems.
So you made any changes to your computer? Any
Yes,
new program?
Yes, I told you I must have clicked an advertisement because it redirected and this thing came up.
On your own, this may lead to more serious problems. Please call our Microsoft certified technician level 3 who can better
Okay.
assist you with
Yes.
Can you... It's a laptop.
Please call Microsoft.
Yes, laptop.
First turn down the sound.
You want me to turn up the sound? Okay, one moment.
Do not attempt Once again,
Was that loud enough? Can you hear it?
immediately. Your Wi-Fi enabled devices
Yep,
may
turn
be
down
at
the sound.
risk. Please do not attempt to turn
Okay,
on
turn down the
any
sound. Yeah, let me
additional
turn this
systems.
off. Okay, hold on.
Your system identified as
Okay, can you hear me now?
your system may have future problems.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, okay. Yeah, okay. Let me turn this off. It's beeping too much on my speaker. Okay. So how do I fix this? I can't even move my mouse or keyboard. I had to turn off the entire power.
And who was using this computer?
I was.
And you called us before as well. I see that you called
Yes,
us many times.
I called because your technicians won't talk. They told me to turn up the volume and then they disconnect. They asked me to
When
make
you
it
called
louder.
us more than 6 times.
I do it. I know. I called them. I asked them if they want me to turn it up. They say yes. And then they hang up. So I don't know if the sound is disconnecting the phone line, but something's happening to it.
And what exactly you were trying to download when this came up?
I was trying to look at bikini tops with my granddaughter Budeline. I told you. I called you guys 6 times and I've been saying the same thing. I told you I must have
And you
clicked
found-
something wrong. I don't know why. It gave me this error. Hello?
Yep.
Yes. So can you assist me on this message?
So turn off your computer.
How do I do that? I can't even move my mouse or keyboard. Oh my gosh, did you go deaf or something?
I'm not sure why you're calling, but it's showing that you're calling and wasting your and our time.
How am I wasting time? You're the one who gave me this message. I told you I must have clicked something wrong. I don't know why. It gave me this error.
And you found-
I must have clicked something wrong. I don't know why. It gave me this error. How am I wasting time? You're the one who gave me this message. Lady,
So
are
I'll
you even
check it.
paying attention? Why would I call you guys to waste my own time? That makes no sense.
Yep. Exactly.
Yep, what? What do you mean, yep, lady? Hello? You dead?
Yep, I'm here.
Okay, so how do I fix it? I can't move my mouse.
Yep, try moving it.
I did try moving it, doesn't work. I clicked on deny and I clicked on allow, it didn't work.
Try that again.
Alright, it didn't work.
So you can hold down the power button on the computer and turn it off.
But it told me the warning said do not restart the computer.
But if nothing is moving, there's nothing I can do.
What do you mean by that? The other lady told me to press a key, and then she disconnected. Which key is that? There was a key to disable it.
The power key.
No, not the power. It was on the keyboard. She didn't say power key. She said press a key next to like CTRL, but I don't know which one. Because she got disconnected. Lady, you dead? Hello?
Yep, turn off your computer.
But I don't want to because the warning message says do not turn off your computer. Do you even know computers?
Yep, turn it off.
Okay. Alright, if it breaks, it's on you, right? You're gonna pay me back if my computer's broken?
Yep.
Okay, how long do I hold this power button for?
30 seconds.
30 seconds? Alright, alright, 30 seconds. Alright. So how's your day today, sir? I mean, hopefully it's better than mine, because I keep calling you guys, and then your technicians are always disconnecting. Is there something wrong with your phone lines?
Possible.
Oh, okay. Are you okay? Are you sleeping? You're only giving one-word answers. It's kind of scary. Are you falling asleep? Hello? Wake up. Are you falling asleep? Oh, hello?
Yep.
Wait, are you a robot? Oh my goodness, I think I reached a robotic guy. What? Customer service. Goodness. Hello?
Yes, go ahead.
Customer service. Representative. Representative. Oh my goodness. Hello?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, it's still the robot. Maybe it's one. Representative.
Yes.
Hello? Oh, still the robot. Maybe it's two? Live representative. Live representative.
Yes.
Oh, hello. Hi. Yes. What is your name?
Brad.
Hi, Brad. How are you doing today? I was stuck in your robotic, automated phone call system, and I just need some help with my computer. I don't think the robot knows how to fix it. Brad, are you there?
Yes.
Oh no. Wait, maybe Brad's the robot. Usually it's 1, 2, or 0. Let's try 0. Speak with live agent.
Yes.
Speak with live agent.
Yes.
Yes. Speak with live agent.
Yes.
Yes. Speak with live agent.
Yes.
Yes. Speak with live agent.
Yes.
Yes. Speak with live agent. Yes. I knew it, robot. You can't trick me. I know what you're doing. Get me a live agent, you stupid robot. I don't like talking with these stupid phone IVR, whatever. These things are all broken, anyways. Give me a live agent, dummy.
Yes.
Oh my goodness, this is a yes robot. Are you stupid? Oh, we don't want to answer that, huh, robot? Are you stupid? Oh, looks like we broke the robot. Okay, hold on. Robot, who is your master? Ooh, can't answer that question either. Live representative.
Yes.
Oh, it's you again. That's really funny. Hey Brad. Hey Brad. Oh, you did it this time. Whoa, man. Maybe robots can learn. Okay, Brad. How old are you?
30.
Oh, you are dirty. Okay. Where are you from?
Denver, Colorado.
Denver, Colorado. What's the capital of Denver? Robot, what's the capital of Denver? What's the capital of Denver? Ooh, he's broken. Maybe he's. What is the population of Denver, Colorado? Hello, Brad. Oh, I guess Brad's broken.
Please enter your PIN number.
Hey, Brad. Hey, Brad.
Hey guys, Ultimate Troll Scam Baits Internet video. So this is gonna be a shorter video than usual. This was made just for fun. I ended up trying to talk with scammers with my fake pop-up audio sound. So by default, it does come with one with the AI sounding lady, but I end up trying to make my own warning message. Let's just see how it goes. It's really funny. Stick around. Thank you guys again for your support. Here we go. Let's get them. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did. Please support this channel by hitting the subscribe button. And if you want to see more of my videos, simply click the video on the screen. And in the word of Dr. Pooh,
Bye, lady.